Hi, I took delivery of another eBay purchase of mini discs the other day. I thought I'd just open it on camera. I was looking for something slightly unusual rather than the normal Maxell ones and that sort of thing, TDK and Sony. I don't know why, but I've got a thing for orange discs at the moment. So these are from WHSmith. WHSmith is a stationers in England and a newsagent. I expect they still sell the newspapers. Ooh, digital sound quality. That's pretty much the point of a mini disc, I think. So brilliant. I think, let's have a look. So there's no unique product code on these discs, so these must have been sold as a set. I've got 5 of them. So maybe there was a set of 5. I can't see any reference number on them at all. So if you know what packaging this came in originally, leave a comment please. If you've got one in its wrapper, original wrapper, and you know whether it came as a 5-part set or a 10-part set, then please let me know. So we might as well get on with opening one of these, I think. They're all the same. Don't know much about them really. So it says open here, so let's do that. Very faint instructions on the card. Weird. I think that might have been their colours, the WHSmith's corporate colours. It's blue now, but I wonder if it used to be red at some point. So there's the disc itself. I guess they're all orange. Well, sort of a yellow colour, golden colour. A case that I've never seen before. It's got an opaque back on it. But the front isn't opaque. It doesn't open at all, I don't think. Some ridges on there. There's a disc. It's not unattractive, it's just a bit boring really. It's a metal shutter. There's a reference. CC 516218. So I wonder who manufactured these. I bet WHSmith didn't manufacture them themselves. So nice enough disc. Metal shutter. It's got a clear window there for some reason. But again, this part's opaque. And so is this part here. So you've got like this offset diagonal marks, which are square. It's an interesting design. I've never seen anything quite like that. But if you've got these or got something similar that wasn't from WHSmith, please let me know. And there's a slim chance of that, bearing in mind I only get about 30 views per video at the moment. But nice disc. Let's have another look at the case. It's got a ridge around the edge there. Let's see how it clips in. So it clips in on these two little clips here. So click on there, and then you've got the notch on this side. So it just compresses as it goes in and holds it against that notch. Same the other side, I think. There we go. So, WHSmith 80-minute MD. No obvious signs as to what the reference number is. It's just an 80-minute MD WHSmith Minidisc. Comments please. If you've got unusual discs and you want to do a video, I'd love to see them. I don't like all these silent videos on YouTube at the moment, so say something, and if you don't like what I say, you can turn the volume down. Thanks very much. See you in the next video.